Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my September 2019 Boxycharm unboxing and kind of like a first impressions, and I'll show you guys like me trying it out. This video is going to be a little different than my other ones because I have already cheated and pretty much tried everything in here because I got it yesterday and I just didn't want to film last night. So I figured, you know what? I'm going to try everything out and then film today and kind of give you guys my first impressions. So if you guys aren't familiar with Boxycharm, it is a $21 a month makeup / skincare subscription box, and you're gonna get 5 full-size items, and they are awesome products. So the boxes usually retail for well over $100. This one I haven't added it up yet, but this one is worth a lot. So, and if you guys are not new to my channel and you're wondering what the heck I did to my hair, stay tuned for that video because that will be up after this one. So if you want to see how I got this and if I'm happy with it, stay tuned for that video. All right, so like I said, I already have played with all this stuff. The card this month says all access. So this card here is just going to tell you what everything is, how much it's worth, and a little kind of description about it. So the first thing I'm going to pull out right here is from Dr. Brandt. This is a Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask, and this is what that looks like. And let's see, what does it say? Hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. So I will say I did try this out last night and I love it. So it's kind of just like a thick cream. It just kind of feels like a moisturizer. I don't really understand the whole like sleep mask thing. Like, isn't it just essentially like a moisturizer? It has a little bit of like an essential oil smell, but it's just very hydrating. My skin felt really nice and hydrated this morning. So I'm really happy with this one. And this thing retails for $52. I mean, that's crazy. All right, the next thing in here is from Moda Pro, 5-piece eye kit. And I did already use these brushes this morning, so they are a little wet because I washed them, so you guys didn't have to look at dirty brushes. But this is what these look like. And it just says, this line features superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye looks. Can't recall if I have anything from this brand. It looks super familiar, but I don't know that I have anything. And I love this part of the brush. It's almost like a rubbery, like it's really textured, so it's like nice and easy to hold onto. So these brushes retail for $27.95. It's a random price. So this is from Hank and Henry. This is a Blickety Black Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. So I'm not really sure, like the color isn't really black. I mean, I'm wearing it right now and I mean, it definitely looks kind of black, but this is what it looks like. It's almost like it's very weird because on here it looks kind of like a brown, like a metallic brown, but from like afar, it definitely does look black. So that is very interesting. And I like this brand. I've always enjoyed the products that they put in there from this brand. And it seemed to go on really smoothly. And I'm wearing it right now. I like this one. And this retails for $20. Okay, this next one, I was really excited that I got this because I'd seen a bunch of different variations and I love getting brow products. I don't know, I love trying new brow stuff and I was very, very happy when I got this. So this is from Billion Dollar Brows, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. So that is what this looks like. And if you guys have ever seen these types of little brow pens, see how it's got like the little, it does like, here, let me show you. So it kind of just makes like 3 little lines. So it's gonna mimic like real hair. So why does it not look dark? Okay, maybe it does look a little darker on my hand. I used this last night and I have it, this is what's on my brows today. It will not come off. I even showered, I washed my face, I slept on it, and it will not come off. I didn't know it was supposed to be long wearing. Let's see. This brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a great microblade effect. Can be used, this long-lasting formula will last for an all-day look. Yep. They are definitely right. And it says it's a taupe color, but it came out like on my brows, it looked a lot darker than I was expecting, which I'm okay with it. Like I like it to look a little bit darker. I'd rather have them look darker than lighter. but holy moly, this stuff is really long lasting. So I'm a fan. Okay, let me tell you how much this is. This is $18. So I have bought I want to say it was the Maybelline one that is just like this, like the tattoo studio or whatever. Awful, completely awful. Like you couldn't even see it. It wouldn't show up. Like it just did not work. So I am very impressed with this one. I've never heard of this brand, but I really like this one. And it was really easy. I don't know, like usually these types of things are kind of hard to work with, but it went on so easily. I'm a fan. The last thing in my box is this Tarte High Performance Naturals eyeshadow palette. Face shaping palette, I should say. But this is what all the colors look like. So I was very excited when I got it. I put it on my eyes. I'll show you guys that. But there are no shimmers in here. Nothing, no shimmers whatsoever. So I had to bust out one of my little highlighters just to do like a little shimmer on the eye and like for a highlight. But I was thinking that this was like kind of like an all-in-one where I could do like my bronzer, my highlighter, my eyes, my everything, and there are no shimmers. So I was a little disappointed with that, but these are really nice everyday colors. I feel like you could make a lot of different eye looks with these, and this thing retails for $45. It's very heavy. It's a nice hefty palette. It's really pretty packaging, but yeah, my only drawback is that there are no shimmers. This whole entire thing is matte, which is crazy, right? One of the last Tarte palettes I got were like all shimmers, and I think one matte. So maybe they were like, well, we're gonna do the complete opposite. But anyways, okay, so I need to get a calculator because my phone is recording me right now, and I'm gonna add up what this box is worth. Oh, and also, you guys always like to know what the weight is. It says 1.2 pounds. Holy moly, this box retails for $162.95. That is crazy. With just these two products alone, that's almost $100. That is crazy. So this is a really good box this month. I'm very happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what variation, oh yeah, variation. This is number 16? Are there usually that many? I thought there were only like maybe 5, but holy moly, 16. Okay, cool. Well, let me know what box you guys got, if you're happy with what you got. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for this hair video coming up in a few days if you guys are interested in seeing what the heck I did to my hair. So I hope you all have a great weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye.